Mr. Obama's 2012 re-election strategy is focused on rebuilding and sustaining the youth and independent voter support that propelled him to the presidency in 2008. Starting with a visit last week to his hometown of Chicago, he is kicking his campaign fundraising into high gear, something he will continue over 2 days in the western states of California and Nevada. But Mr. Obama is also fighting an information war with opposition Republicans amid a national debate over competing proposals to avert fiscal disaster from deficits and a $14 trillion national debt. The president argues for a balanced approach that would trim $4 trillion from deficits over 12 years. Republicans would cut slightly more than that over the next decade, but they are also proposing deep cuts in social programs for the elderly and the poor. At Facebook, with its billionaire founder Mark Zuckerberg moderating, Mr. Obama referred to a very serious debate about the future direction of the country, requiring crucial decisions.
And we have an unsustainable situation. So right now we face a critical time where we're going to have to make some decisions. How do we bring down the debt in the short term, and how do we bring down the debt over the long term?
Referring to Republican proposals, the president reiterated the importance of maintaining a basic social safety net for Americans. His Facebook appearance came a little over 2 weeks before the administration and a group of bipartisan congressional leaders will hold a first meeting seeking an initial deficit reduction plan by June. On Wednesday, House Republican Majority Leader Eric Cantor warned Mr. Obama not to allow that meeting to be what he called yet another arena for political theater. In his remarks on Facebook, President Obama said that what Republicans are proposing in their budget plan would fundamentally change the social compact that Americans have known.
The Republican budget that was put forward, I would say, is fairly radical. I wouldn't call it particularly courageous.
President Obama's Facebook event came amid some new poll numbers, including a Washington Post ABC News poll showing 58% disapproval of his handling of the deficit issue. But the same survey showed strong majority support for leaving major social programs untouched and for Mr. Obama's more cautious approach of combining tax increases for wealthier Americans with careful spending cuts. Dan Robinson, VOA News, the White House.